In a previous session, we discussed the importance of pricing integrity when presenting F&I products. And pricing integrity includes choosing a fair price for each product, a price that can still achieve 50% or higher penetration to eligible customers.
Everyone wants their vehicle fixed when it breaks down, without having to pay for the repair out of their pocket. They want cash if their vehicle is stolen and not recovered. And they want more for their vehicle when it's time to sell it, because the paint and interior look showroom new. A proper F&I presentation process, which we teach step-by-step later in this course, helps ensure the customer understands and agrees with those truths, and does not raise objections other than price, because it helps them see the value of the products and, as we are about to explore, a path to affording those things they all want. That F&I sales process makes your job as an F&I manager much easier. If price does become the objection, even though they, of course, would like to have all of the benefits your products provide, but do not feel they can afford the cost, do not discount the prices of your products. Instead, offer to reduce the benefits the products offer as a first step in your efforts to ensure customers are still fully protected with your entire recommended packages of coverage. For example, if you presented a 6-year service contract, offer to reduce it to 60 months or 48 months to reduce the cost, so the customer still has coverage. If you offered a product with a zero deductible, then offer to add a deductible, such as $200, to reduce the cost of the policy for large repair bills in the future. If you offered $5,000 of anti-theft protection and there is a $2,500 option, offer to reduce the benefit amount to also reduce the cost associated with that product. Here's a role-play example of how that works in a way that allows the F&I manager to maintain credibility.
Of course, I'd love to have all that coverage and protection, but I just don't think I can afford the cost.
Of all the protection we talked about, which is the least important to you?
Perhaps the tire and wheel coverage is least beneficial to me.
Okay, here is something we could do to ensure you still have coverage. We can reduce the 6-year term of that coverage to 4 years and add a $200 deductible.
I see.
With this, your monthly cost is reduced and you still get the same coverage for the next 4 years. Here's what that looks like.
In later training sessions, we'll role-play how to disclose price accurately and legally to satisfy Regulation M, Regulation Z, and FTC rules as a tool to overcome any further cost objections that may occur. For this example, you can see how the F&I manager maintained their integrity and believability when quoting prices for their products, and why that is a win-win for everyone involved.